Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to add links and bookmarks into your Google Doc since they are related to one another. So let's say in your Google Doc, you want to add a hyperlink to another web page. A couple of different ways to do this. One way that people will often use is to say explicitly that they're providing a link to something, and then like the site name will actually be the text that is the link. So if I highlight Google, I can either go to the insert menu and add a link, or this little icon up here is just a menu icon that's available, so I'm going to click on that. And then when I click on that, I have to give it a URL, usually, in order to get it to link to somewhere. Now, the reason I said usually was this can be a hyperlink to another web page, or you can link to other documents, or you can link to a location within this document. More on that in a minute. So let's say I want to link to an external site. I can just type in the URL, make it go to google.com. All right, or I can highlight the text, and I'm not providing the language for the text and then a separate link. I'm just using the language as the link. All right, so I can do this again. Or I can create a link to another place in this document, and that's where bookmarks come in, and I want to show you how to do that. So let's say we have a bunch of pages to our document, and I'm going to insert a bookmark right here, and I'm going to add the text end of document just so we know that we've reached this point. All right, so if I go back up, now that I have that bookmark, link to end of doc, go down to headings and bookmarks. So you can also link to specific headings if you use headings in your document, which if your document is long and it has a lot of sections, you probably should. In this case, I'm going to select the bookmark end of document and watch what happens. When I click on the link, it tells me it's a link to a bookmark, which one, end of document. I click on it, and it brings me to that part of this Google Doc. So bookmarks and links are a great way to link to external sources and information and things like that, but it's also a great way to allow the user to navigate the document that you've created. Right? So there's a bunch of different things you can do with links inside a Google Doc.